Hello and welcome to our episode about work. Many people look for a new job every day. First, you need to check popular websites. I am looking for a position as an office manager. This company offers a good salary and a flexible schedule. The office is located in the city center. I need to read the job description carefully. They want a person with basic computer skills. Speaking English is also a big plus for this role. I see a button that says Apply. Before I click, I must update my CV. My resume has my contact information and education. I list my previous jobs and my responsibilities there. It is important to be honest about your experience. I also write a short cover letter. In the letter, I explain why I want this job. I mention that I am a hardworking person. I am also very organized and punctual. My friend says this company is very professional. I attach my photo and my documents. I double-check my phone number and email address. Mistakes in a CV look very bad. Everything looks perfect on the screen. I feel a bit nervous but excited. I click the send button. The website says, application successful. I hope they call me for an interview. Finding a job takes time and patience. I will check my inbox every hour. Let's wait for the next step together. My phone is ringing at 10 o'clock. It is an unknown number from a local company. Hello, this is Elena speaking, I say. A woman identifies herself as a recruiter. She received my application for the manager position. She asks if I have a moment to talk. I tell her that I am free to speak. Her voice sounds very kind and welcoming. She asks me about my current employment status. I explain that I am currently unemployed. She wants to know why I left my last job. I say that I am looking for new challenges. Then she asks about my salary expectations. I give her a realistic range in dollars. She seems happy with my answer. Can you come to our office for an interview? She proposes Tuesday at 2 in the afternoon. I check my calendar to be sure. Tuesday is a great day for me. She gives me the exact address of the building. I write down the floor and the room number. She tells me to bring my ID card. I ask if there is a dress code. She suggests business casual clothes. I thank her for the invitation. We say goodbye and hang up. This is my first real chance. I need to prepare my outfit. I will also practice my English answers. The journey to a career continues. I arrive at the office 10 minutes early. Punctuality is the first rule of success. I am wearing a white shirt and black trousers. The reception area is very bright and modern. I tell the receptionist my name and my time. She asks me to sit and wait. A man comes out and shakes my hand. He is the head of the department. We go into a small meeting room. He offers me a glass of water. Tell me about yourself, he says. I talk about my studies and my skills. I mention that I enjoy working in a team. He asks about my biggest strength. I say that I learn new things very fast. Then he asks about my weaknesses. I admit that I am sometimes too detail-oriented. He smiles and nods his head. He explains the daily tasks of this job. I listen and take some notes. He asks if I have any questions for him. I ask about the team and the atmosphere. He says the team is young and friendly. We discuss the working hours and the breaks. The interview lasts for about 30 minutes. He says they will make a decision soon. I thank him for his time. I leave the office with a smile. I did my best today. Results usually come after a few days. 3 days pass and I feel anxious. Suddenly, I receive an email from the company. The subject line says, "Job offer." My heart starts beating very fast. I open the message and read the first line. "We are pleased to offer you the position." I am so happy that I want to jump. The email contains a contract as an attachment. I need to read every page of this document. It lists my monthly salary and bonuses. I have 24 days of vacation per year. Health insurance is included in the package. The start date is next Monday. I need to sign the contract electronically. I call my parents to tell them the news. They are very proud of my achievement. I reply to the recruiter immediately. I confirm that I accept the offer. She sends me a welcome guide for new employees. There is a list of things to bring. I need my bank details for the payroll. I also need a copy of my diploma. The company uses special software for communication. I download the app on my phone. I create a professional profile picture. My preparation for the first day begins. I feel like a real professional. Success comes to those who try. I am ready for this new chapter. Let's see what happens on Monday. It is Monday morning and my alarm rings. I eat a healthy breakfast to have energy. I take the bus to the office. I arrive at exactly 9 o'clock. The HR manager meets me at the entrance. She gives me a plastic security badge. This badge opens all the doors in the building. First, she shows me the kitchen and the coffee machine. Then we walk to my new desk. I have a laptop, a monitor, and a comfortable chair. My colleagues say hello and welcome. Everyone seems very busy with their tasks. The manager introduces me to my mentor. My mentor will help me during the first week. We go to a meeting to meet the whole team. I say a few words about my role. I feel a bit shy, but everyone is kind. We have lunch together at a nearby cafe. We talk about hobbies and weekend plans. In the afternoon, I set up my email account. I choose a strong password for my laptop. My mentor shows me how to use the printer. I read the company policy and safety rules. There is a lot of new information to remember. I write everything down in my notebook. The day goes by very quickly. At 5 o'clock, it is time to go home. I pack my things and say goodbye. My first day was a total success. Tomorrow I will start my actual work. 6 months have passed since my first day. I am no longer a new employee. I understand all the processes in the office. My manager is happy with my performance. We have a meeting to discuss my progress. He says that I am a valuable team member. I want to learn more and grow professionally. The company offers free English courses for staff. I attend lessons twice a week after work. My vocabulary is getting much better. I can write emails without using a dictionary. I also take an online course about management. Education is the key to a better salary. My dream is to become a team leader one day. I help new interns when they join us. Sharing knowledge makes me feel good. We have a big project this month. I am responsible for the final report. Working under pressure is a useful skill. I stay focused and finish my tasks on time. My boss gives me a small promotion. Hard work always brings results. I love my career and my company. It is important to have goals in life. Every small step leads to a big change. I feel confident about my future. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you find your dream job too. Keep practicing your English every day. Goodbye and good luck with your career.
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.